Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want you to know you can read about the new Vivaldi browser as it got more powerful and it works on all devices. Vivaldi upgraded to the new version 6.4, and there's several new features I've got listed out in a Google document associated with this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Just look up the Google document if you go to the Guy R. Cook Report.podbean.com, and it's got all of the 6 different features that are available to you. Oh, I guess there's 5 different features, unless you count mail. I use Gmail, so I don't look at that as a feature right away. The bottom line, I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.